Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by being the organizer. Choose a primary Apple ID and a valid payment method so purchases can be shared. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Family Sharing. Start the setup flow and invite people by Apple ID. Make sure Contacts and Find My are enabled for smoother invites. This initial step creates the family group and central billing. It's important because it governs shared purchases, subscriptions, and parental controls that you'll configure next. Next, invite family members. Tap Add Member and choose Send Invite or create a child account for under 13 users. Follow the prompts. Once members accept, enable what you want to share, purchases, Apple Music, iCloud storage, or shared photos, and assign roles. Make sure to configure Ask to Buy and Screen Time for children, because these settings prevent unwanted charges and help manage device use. Also, sync the shared iCloud storage plan so everyone has space without duplicates. Finally, verify each person appears in family sharing and that subscriptions and iCloud storage show as shared. Make sure purchases are charged to the organizer's payment method. If someone's not seeing shared content, confirm they're signed in to the same Apple ID used for the invite. If problems persist, try signing out and back in, resend the invite, or restart devices. These steps resolve most syncing issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check region and age restrictions, because those can block sharing silently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.